that black yo magic. 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 Magic. Black yo magic.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther, and if you're new, please subscribe and join the #royalty squad. And if you're not new, thank you so much for clicking to watch my new video. So in this one, I'll be transforming myself basically from 0 to 100 100 real quick. Like, I'll be doing this simple eyes with a bold lip or colorful lip or whatever. I don't know the lip color I'm going for yet, but as the video progresses, we'll know. So this video is a collaboration with Jen Slick. I'll leave all her details down below. Please check her out and tell her you're from my channel. And if you're from Jen Slick's channel, thank you so much for deciding to watch my video. I hope you subscribe and join the #royalty squad. Anyways, let's just get started. So I've primed my face with the Flawless Original Primer by Rimmel. This is like my all-time favorite primer. I've used this for my eyes and I've done my eyebrows. So if you guys want an eyebrow tutorial, please let me know and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. So I've primed my face because I'm oily, and I'll be setting my primed face with the MUA Skin Define Matte Perfect Loose Powder. And guys, I'll be using lashes today. Yeah, I know. So for my eyeshadow, I'm going for something really simple, something everyday. You guys know my everyday makeup revolution life on the dance floor after party palette. Like my ride or die all day every day. Gucci gang. So I've lost the names of the eyeshadows because it was separate. I don't know why they put it separate, but I'll be using that brown color. I'll just use that as a transition shade basically. I'll be applying this brown color on my lid. My eyes is done. You guys cannot really see, but yeah. I would do my lashes and I'll be right back. Pray for me guys, pray for me. I'll move on to my face. For foundation, I'll be using the Loreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation in the shade Espresso. This is way dark for me, but you guys will see the magic. I learned a new trick from Shantania Beckford. If you don't know who Shantania is, you really need to hook yourself up. So what she does is she uses her fingers to blend out her foundation, then she goes in with a brush later. So that's what I'll be doing right now. So for my concealer, yeah, to make, like, obviously this shade is too dark for me, so I'll be making it work by using concealer. So the concealer I'll be using is the Makeup Revolution London Conceal and Define. This is like one of the most popular concealers, and I'm in the shade C13. Once again, I'm not doing anything to my forehead. And I don't like taking my concealer all the way out because I just don't like it. And I don't really contour. As you guys can see, my nose is already contoured and I didn't even add any contour product. So yeah, one thing I love doing when it comes to makeup is blending. I can blend till Jesus comes. So I'll be going in with my foundation brush again to just blend out the concealer. And that's it. Like, as you guys can see, the concealer made the foundation a little bit more like my shade. So I'll be using my Loreal should come and sponsor me. Like, I'm giving you guys free promo. My L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder in the shade Deep Golden. I'll be applying that to the places that I highlighted, because I don't like the white powder, the so-called translucent powder. I'll just be applying that under my eyes. So I'll just be dusting off, or should I say blending out. I'll just be using my Pro Fix setting spray to set my face. You need to spray this thing like it's the blood of Jesus. So I'll be using the Rimmel London red lip in Kate. Yeah, Kate. K-E Perry. I'm going for a really soft red look. So yeah, this is the finished look. So I'll be right back with my hair down, face B, everything. Anyways. I just realized I was not recording. Yay! Anyways, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please thumbs this video up, and in the comment section below tell me if you want an eyebrow tutorial. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed it, please smash the like button and check out Jen Slick's video as well, and tell her you're from Esther's channel, and blah 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 blah. Yeah, stay positive, stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay motivated, and don't forget to drink some water and mind your business. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.